A very good afternoon to all of you. So, welcome back to this session. So, today we are going to discuss about topic 3. It's a grammar portion, English grammar. So, today I want to clear the difference between subject, grammar, and object. I would like to give a clear description and hope to remove your confusion regarding subject, object, and verb. So, first, I would like to give a definition of subject. So, what is subject? A person or thing that is being considered, shown, or talked about. सब्जेक्ट काम के करने वाले को सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं या फिर जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हों उसे सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. नाउ कम्स ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हाट इज ऑब्जेक्ट? ऑब्जेक्ट इज द पर्सन और थिंग which is affected by the action of the verb. ऑब्जेक्ट किसे कहते हैं? ऑब्जेक्ट किसी पर्सन या थिंग को कहते हैं जो अफेक्ट किया जाता है वर्ब के एक्शन से. नाउ कम्स वर्ब. So I would like to give a definition of verb. A word or group of words that is used to indicate that something happens or exists. For example, being, happen, be, do, etc. In other words, verb conveys an action, an occurrence or state of being. verb किसको कहते हैं? वर्ब किसी भी काम के करने को वर्ब कहते हैं जो काम किया जा रहा हो. सपोज सब्जेक्ट इज डूइंग ए वर्क एंड व्हाट इज डूइंग द वर्क. वर्क इज ऑब्जेक्ट बट डूइंग इज वर्ब. सो I would like to make it more clear by giving some sentences. First, I would like to tell you a sentence. In every sentence, there are three parts. First part is subject, middle part is verb, and third part is object. So, first part is subject. Subject can be a noun or pronoun. And middle one is verb, and last one is object. So, I am giving you an example. First example is the cat killed a rat. The cat killed a rat. So we should start with the capital letter and end with the full stop. So cat killed a rat. So subject is cat. What he is doing? He is killing. So killed is verb. And what action he is doing? He is killing the rat. So rat is an object. So I'm giving you one more example, like he broke my pen. He broke my pen. It means he is subject. He is subject. And subject, what he is doing? He is breaking. Breaking is the verb. And what he is doing? What he is breaking? He is breaking a pen. So object is pen. So in this sentence, he is subject and broke is verb and pen is object. So one more example. This is last example. Suzanne sings well. Suzanne sings well. Suzanne अच्छा गाती है. So who sings? Suzanne sings. So Suzanne is subject. What she is doing? She is singing. So sing is verb. And how she is singing? She is singing very well. So well is object. So first is subject. Subject is Suzanne. And what she is doing? She is singing. So singing is verb. And last one is how she is singing? She is singing well. So well is object. So as I told you that there are three parts in every sentence. First is subject, another one is verb, and last one is object. So I hope you got some clarity about the subject, verb, and object. And so I think we'll see you in next session. Thanks.